Thank you for coming here today to watch one of our tutorial videos. We will show you here how easy it is to view your referrals. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your at-cost metals dashboard. In the menu links at the top, click on the Personal Referrals link. It will take you to your Personal Referrals page. In this page, you can find information about your referrals such as their name, their referral code, what side they are placed, rank, membership type, QV, whether they are enrolled in the coin of the month, how many referrals they have on their left or right, and the last time they logged in. You can also view the qualifications for our ranking system as well. Use the instructions as a cross-reference to look at how your referrals qualify and affect you. Lastly, if you need to contact your referral at any point, click on the number next to their name, and it will bring a drop-down menu with all of their contact information, like email and phone number, as well as how many points they have on their left and right side. Thank you for watching At Cost Metals tutorial series. We are committed to your savings and success.